Yes.
Sizodlala
Izokhala
uPayPal.
phezu kwekhanda lakho. Ungahambi, let's try to find
Azize sizozifundisa
the fragment.
sizozifundisa
Yabo?
uPayPal. Please.
Let's move together. Ungahambi producer, let's play please.
T1.
Sunday namhlanje ngama-Sunday silwela ama-fragment. Hi Thabang, welcome in. So if ngayitholi fragment lide kakhulu iviki manje lizoba inkinga. Ngcono ngiyithole namhlanje.
Ungayisho leyo nto.
Then during the week ngizolokhu ngisave. Ngiyanazi ukuthi nibandla ngama-weekend. Guys, tap the screen.
Ngizivela kancane. Pregnancy. What pregnancy now? Pregnant. Pregnant, not
pregnancy.
Not pregnancy. Eish.
You did. Where and when? Where and when? Because you left here while you were on 15. Guys, let's all tap the screen. Ghosty, what's up, Ghosty? So vele mina nginama-tappers namhlanje, Ghosty. Thenja uyingena indaba yami.
Nabo ke lapho Ghost.
Let's go. Let's beat them. Yabona nje usihle uyadizela ukuthi simshaya kakhulu ngenduku. Akuve shaye.
Induku yesikole esilingana nedonut.
14 1 hour ago. Did you get to 16 here? JG.
Hi Khulu.
Ngathi uphuze ashwaganda sihle.
Ngobani?
Nje.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
You look nje. You understand?
All right.
But njena, I'm always like this.
Hayi wena sihle. Phela angikwazi phela sihle ubona ungacawunti ngicala ukuthi hawu.
Mnganami.
×2 guys.
Njena nje.
Sihle mfethu. Sihle.
Lapha ngizeli yazi angazi ke why.
Uphuze ashwaganda.
Awulalanga.
That's why ngithi angizeli. And that's why ngathi ngiphuze ashwaganda. I am not sleepy at all.
×2 guys. ×2.
Mhlambe
×2 phezu kwabo producer.
Let me too.
Lutho.
Guys, tap on the screen for me.
Lutho.
Asangibizi wena uma uyobanjwa ngamapenda la le ama-powder paint awusangibizi.
If you were high, how? Like you uthe uproduce yamanzi?
Yeah.
Long time.
Mina ngimazi nje.
Hawu.
Udume ngani?
Hayibo.
Yabuza
udume ngama-empty promises nje unjalo.
Hence I'm asking because
ngithi wena usangibizi moyo
udume ngokuthi awine igame akashige
udume ngama-empty promises. Yes, idla usangibizi moyo uthelwa ngama-powder paint le.
Mina. Next time.
Kuyahlekisa lokhu ubhizi ushaya ama-360 bekuthela ngama-powder paint wenza so nyasho ukuthi ubukani. Sithi. Ashithi umuntu sinhlezi simbona veza ubuso la. Manje bemkhasha ngama-powder paint ushaya ama-360 amaningi kakhulu.
Guys, tap the screen.
Eceda kuthela ngama-paint.
Guys, savelela ile ndaba ka-360. 360. Ay.
Everyone tap the screen for me. Ndalo. Good night, Baba. Everyone, let's go, guys. Tap the screen for me. Produce uyabayeka yini? Bekuphaphela.
11 now. Lalani nje. High tools.
Let's go. And ngo-12 iyajika lento le. Mina nje yazi.
Luyanda. Hayi.
Ngithembe wena producers. Bengayitholi le fragment yakho ngizokhala.
Hayibo mna. Hayi ngathi andizoyithola. 4 guys hayi ngeke.
Ngishoda kakhulu.
Yo hayi.
Kambe ngabe uyihlanganisile ukube at least ubuye ngo-8. Kanti uhambe
Bese benifuna ukubuya hayi Mawandla. Benifuna ukubuya ngo-8 ngathi hayi angalala kancane. Yo. Hayi elihle.